The lightest wheels in the world, Atlas wheels. Trying to get these and Heracles fork. Trying to beef up my scooter. Let's get it done. We're gonna weigh out the scooter to see how it weighs beforehand and after. All right, so before all the parts, 8 pounds and 8.6 ounces. Now let's throw these new parts on. Right, just put the parts on. Now let's weigh it. All right, now we're looking at 8 pounds, 7.9 ounces. All around, bigger wheels, stronger fork, and we went down in weight. What else is there to do?